So, good morning, children. Now, write down this question, children. Write down. If cos theta is equal to 2 by 3, if cos theta is equal to 2 by 3, find the value of. If cos theta is equal to 2 by 3. If cos theta is equal to 2 by 3, find the value of 2 sec square theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 9. Cos theta is equal to 2 by 3. Find the value of 2 sec square theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 9. How to do this? How you do this? Cos theta is given as 2 by 3, isn't it? So that moment itself we can write what is sec theta. What will be sec theta? Yes, Rizwan, what will be sec theta? Sec is
3 by 2.
yes, it is the reciprocal. It is 3 by 2, isn't it? We can draw the figure. Cos theta. Okay, draw the figure. Cos theta is, what's the definition of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 2, hypotenuse is 3. What will be the opposite side? Opposite side will be root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So it is root of 9 minus 4, which is equivalent to root 5, which is root 5. So now substitute it. What will be tan theta? By definition, tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Is it correct, Anne-Marie?
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute this and find out what is the value. 4 options are given. A is 2, B is minus 2, C is 1, and D is 3. Calculate and check your answer. What is your answer? Find out. Is it A, B, C, or D?
2 tan square theta minus question
2 sec square theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 9. 2 sec square theta plus 2 tan square theta minus 9. What will be the answer?
minus 2
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 is the answer. Yes, correct. Next one. Next one. Okay, next question is a different question. It is from the exemplar question, children. 4x is equal to cosec theta. 4x is equal to cosec theta. 4 by x is equal to cot theta. 4x is equal to cosec theta. 4 by x is equal to cot theta. Find 4 into x square minus 1 by x square equal to dash. 4 into x square minus 1 by x square is dash. Option A 1 by 4, option B 4, option C 2, D is 1 by 2. It's an easy question, not a lengthy question and all. It's an easy question.
1 by 2.
How? How you will get that answer as 1 by 2? Tell me, Ashik. I will get 1 by 2.
We can substitute each value in the place of x.
Where? For which value? How will you substitute? It is x square. It is 4x square and 4 by x square, isn't it? So how will you do this? Yes, Ashik? Yes. Tell me, how you will substitute? Tell me. What you are giving is partly correct. Okay. Proceed. Yes, Ashik.
Just guess the answer.
Yes. X is. Okay. Is this one you give? Is it like this? X is cosec theta by 4 and 1 by x is cot theta by 4. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, what happens to x square? It will become cosec square theta by 16. And what will be 1 by x square? It is cot square theta by 16. So substitute here. Substitute. When you substituted this, 4 into what is x square? Cosec square theta by 16 minus cot square theta by 16. Now check your answer. Is it 1 by 2? Denominator is same. Which identity you can use here? Melvin. Which is the identity you will be using here?
Ma'am, which one?
Here. Based on cosec and cot.
Cosec.
Cosec square theta
Is it
minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So the denominator is same. So 4 into, if you take this common denominator 16, it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So 4 by 16, which is 1 by 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we take x as common in the beginning and then substitute cosec theta? Like that also we can do.
Here, from these two.
No, ma'am, 4x square minus 1 by x square. There we can take x as common. So 4x, then bracket x minus 1 by x.
No,
Take it.
no, here x is in the numerator, here x is in denominator. Is or no?
We cannot take.
No. So if it is, okay, this is what we are asking, isn't it? Is it, if it is a square minus 1 by a square means, can we take a like this? Are you asking like this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not possible. See, check when you multiply this, what you will get. When you open the bracket once again, a square minus a by a. Is that no? When we multiply, this is in the numerator. We will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So it will be same as a square minus 1. Okay. Okay, so it will not work out. That is wrong. Okay. Amina? Whether you have completed all the 4 chapters? One time? Is it over? How many of you have completed? One time all the 8 chapters are over. Rosabi? Vishnu? Vishnu Vivi, Hadyami? Surya? How many chapters you have completed? Surya? Have learned all 5 chapters thoroughly. How many like that? How many chapters you have? Tell me, Surya, Rosabi. Hmm? 2 chapters only, Vishnu. That is Vishnu. Afsana, how many topics you have completed, Afsana? Thorough with how many chapters? Afsana, Melvin 4. Okay. If you do it along with this class-wise revision, you will be completing about 5 or 6. Only 2 more chapters left out for us. Areas related to circles and probability. Okay. Nas Parveen. Nas Parveen. Adil, 2 more left now. 4. Okay. Okay. At least 4 means it is okay. Adidev. Adil. Okay, Adil. 2 more left. Meghna. Savio. Fia.
Yes, ma'am.
4. 4. Thorough with 4. Completed thoroughly. Okay. Okay, see, at least by this week, you should, okay, Savio. At least by this week, you should complete the first round of revision thoroughly. You should complete it. By this weekend, you should complete. Then, before, okay, the previous day. Okay. Now, look at the next question, children. Write the next one. If m into tan theta, tan 30, cot 60 is equal to sin 45, cos 45. Find m. If m into tan 30, cot 60 is equal to sin 45, cos 45, find m. Option A, 1/2. Option B, 3/2. What is the answer, Anne Mary? 3. 3/2. Aman Shakir, what is your answer, Aman?
Ma'am, I go to 2/3.
2/3.
Yes, ma'am. M into 1/3 is equal to 1/2. 1/3 into 2/1 is
M into, yes, tan 30 is 1/√3. And what is cot 60?
1/√3.
1/√3 is equal to sin 45, 1/√2. This is also 1/√2, isn't it? So you can write this as m/3 is equal to 1/2. Is or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is m? Is it 3/2? And Mary, your answer is 3/2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
3/2 is the correct answer. 3/2 is the correct answer. Yes, see, next one, children, note down, this is very important, okay, it's a tricky question. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Therefore, what is sec theta minus tan theta? Option A, minus P. Option B, 1/P. Option C, P square minus 1. Option D, 1 by p square. What is the answer? 6 square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Isn't it? Try the answer. Anjita. Okay, Anjita. Okay. Try this. We have discussed this question earlier also. Let me see how many of you will be able to do this. Sec theta plus. Yes.
P.
P. Sec theta plus tan theta is P. What is sec theta minus tan theta?
Negative P.
Negative P is the wrong answer.
1 by P.
1 by P. Is it corrected? Check it. How it is 1 by P? Or is it P square minus 1? Surya, what is your answer, Surya? Prajod? Prajod? Vishnu? Meghna? What's your answer, Meghna? Rifas? P square minus 1. Okay. Rifa is present? No. Afsana? What is the answer, Afsana? Afsana? Adidev is present? Adidev? What is the answer, Adidev? Sec theta plus tan theta is P. What is sec theta minus tan theta? How will you do this? What we know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Is that no? So it is of the form a square minus b square. So we can write this as sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta as 1. Now here sec theta plus tan theta is given as P. So P into sec theta minus tan theta is 1. Therefore, what will be sec theta minus tan theta? It is 1 by P. Melvin, give the answer. Okay, give the answer 1 by P. Is it like this you did?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why don't you give the step? Okay, just okay. Answer is 1 by P.
You told it wrong. No?
I didn't say wrong. You check it. You go through it once again. Like that only it said. Only for negative P, I gave the answer as wrong. If it is 1 by P, I said you check your answer once again. Check it and give the answer. Okay. Then you can give the method. Is that no? Hadi Amin, is the method okay? Okay, similar question will be asked like this, children. Okay, suppose it is cosec theta minus cot theta is x. What will be cosec theta plus cot theta? What will be the answer? Einstein. Cosec theta minus cot theta is x. Therefore, it will be cosec theta plus cot theta. That okay? Huh? No, look at here. Is it similar to this? If okay, sec theta plus tan theta is P. Therefore, what is sec theta minus tan theta? 1 by P. Same method only here also. It is cosec theta minus cot theta is x. Therefore, it will be cosec theta plus cot theta. Adil. What will be cosec theta plus cot theta? 1 by x. It will be 1 by x. Method is same. Use the same identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Use the identity, you'll get the answer. Okay? Yes.
Can you show how that second example how to do?
Example. Which one?
Sec theta minus cot theta is equal to x.
The second question. Use the identity. What is the identity we have? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So we again use the identity a square minus b square. So cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Is it okay? Now cosec theta minus cot theta is x. So x into cosec theta plus cot theta is 1. Therefore, cosec theta plus cot theta is 1 by x. Is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Only,
ma'am.
only for these two cases, because we have two identities in this form. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Only for these two cases we can use, because this one we can use the identity a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. But we can't use it for the first one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For that we can't use. Is it clear? Only for these two we can use like this. Now answer this question. What is if sec theta minus tan theta is r? What will be sec theta plus tan theta?
1 by r.
1 by r. Okay. If cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to x, what will be cosec theta plus cot theta?
1 by x.
1 by x. Okay. Is it clear? Note down this. Instead of that, don't write steps and steps. Okay, within 2 steps you will get if you are using the identity. Now, based on this, only one hot question is asked. Write down. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to L. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to L. Then sec theta is equal to dash. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to L. Then sec theta is equal to dash. Option A, L square minus 1 by 2L. B, L square plus 1 by 2L. Option C, L square minus 1 by L. Option D, 2 into L square minus 1 by L. Let me see how many of you will be doing this one. Okay, I'll mark the attendance in the meantime. Yes, what is the answer, children? How to do this? Look at here. Sec theta plus tan theta is L. Therefore, it will be sec theta minus tan theta. It is 1 by L. Is that no? Will it be 1 by L? So now you add these two. So what you will get? 2 sec theta is L plus 1 by L. So which is L square plus 1 by L. Therefore, what is sec theta? L square plus 1 by 2L. This is sec theta. Is it clear? Is it okay?
Yes,
Huh? This way you do this. Instead of that, don't use the identity and simplify. You will be spending more time. So here we use that format. Sec theta plus tan theta is L, means sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by L.
Ma'am, how did L square come?
You take the LCM. When you cross multiply it, what you will get?
Okay.
Is it L square plus 1 by L? Is that no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, today, children, today I'll be sending the PDF of trigonometry after this period. Okay. Thank you, children.